हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज हम लोग क्लास 10 का चैप्टर 3 फिजिक्स का करेंगे इन वन शॉट। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज इज द प्रॉपर्टी एसोसिएटेड विद मैथड ड्यू टू विच इट प्रोड्यूसेस एंड एक्सपीरियंस इलेक्ट्रिकल एंड मैग्नेटिक इफेक्ट। ऐसा यूनिट ऑफ चार्ज कॉलम सी 1 mc इक्वल 10⁻³ कॉलम 1 mc इक्वल टू 10⁻6 कॉलम। वेयर द चार्ज प्रेजेंट इन ए यूनिवर्स, चार्ज इज फंडामेंटली प्रेजेंट ऑन द एलिमेंट्री पार्टिकल. Electrons, pions, and protons, plus and neutrons are neutral in nature. All of them are present inside the atom, and the atoms constitute to become molecules of which the substances of the universe are made. Appearance of charge. How does charge appear on a body? Charged bodies or particle can be created by mm, disturbing the neutrality of an atom, just like ions, and created out of neutral atoms. Loss of electrons, positive charge. Gain of electron, negative charge. Quantization of charge. The smallest charge that can exist in nature is the charge of an electron. If the charge of an electron equal to 1.6 in 10 by minus 19 coulomb is taken as elementary unit, that is the quanta of charge, the charge on any body will be same. Some integral multiple of that is theta q equal to plus minus any with n equal to 1 to 3 q equal to any n q net charge and number of electric charge. Conductors. Two, the substances or material that permit electrons to flow freely from particle to particle. Example: copper, iron, silver, aluminum, etc. This is due to presence of more loosely bound electron, free electron, C electron, C. Semiconductor, a material that has an electrical conductivity value falling between that of a conductor such as metallic copper and an insulator such as glass. Example: HIS gas, titanium dioxide, etc. This is due to the presence of less free electrons which are tend to move to conduct electricity. Insulator, the substances or metal that resist the free flow of electrons from atom to atom and molecule to molecule. Example: wood, glass, cloth, etc. This is due to the absence of more loosely bound electron, free electron. Charge in motion, electric current. Rate of flow of charge is called current. Current, amount of time, charge by time. I equal to Q by T. SI unit of I, ampere. Current is denoted by I. Electric current. Electric current is defined as the rate of flow of charge through a cross section of a conductor per unit time. SI unit of current, ampere. I equal to Q by T. What constitutes the electric current flowing in a conductor? Due to some external agency, potential difference, free electrons present in a conductor flow through the wire, which constitute the flow of charge as electric current. The concept of voltage. Voltage, work done by battery on a unit charge. Why does the electric charge flow? Electric charge in a conductor flow due to presence of potential difference across the ends of the conductor. Potential difference, in other words, called voltage. Voltage called work done by charge. Which entity provides the potential difference? Cathode and anode present at the ends of the battery provides electric charge energy for the charge to flow in the wire. A conventional current non-existent. Potential difference, the amount of work done required on a unit positive charge to move it from one potential point to another potential point. In other words, the work done on a charge by battery to move it from higher potential to lower potential is called potential difference or voltage. Voltage called work done by charge. Define value. When 1 joule of work is done on a unit positive charge to move it from one point to another point, then potential difference is said to be 1 volt. 1 volt equal to 1 joule by 1 coulomb. What is an electric circuit? A continuous and closed path made up of wires on which an electric current runs is called an electric circuit. An electric circuit consists of electric devices, a source of energy, and wires that are connected with the help of a switch. ये देखिए, ये है कुछ एलिमेंट्स का साइन, सर्किट एलिमेंट्स का साइन है, तो इसे याद कर लीजिएगा। एमीटर सीरीज डिवाइस में लगता है, वोल्ट मीटर पैरेलल डिवाइस। एमीटर डिवाइस यूज टू मेजर करंट, सीरीज कनेक्ट रेजिस्टेंस नील यानी जीरो। वोल्ट मीटर डिवाइस यूज टू मेजर वोल्टेज, पैरेलल कनेक्ट resistance very high. Ohm's law, not a universal law. Current flowing through a conductor is directly proportional to potential difference applied across the ends of the conductor at a particular temperature. V equal to I R. Resistance R, opposition offered by the atoms present inside the conductor against the flow of current. 7th ohm. Factors affecting resistance: length of wire L, cross sectional area, material of the wire, temperature of the wire. Resistance R, opposition offered by the atoms particles of conductor in the path of current. 7th ohm depends on length, area, resistivity T. Resistivity rho, it is the property of the material to oppose the flow of current in a conductor. 7th ohm meter depends on material temperature. Series circuit I same path V divide. Parallel circuit I divide path divide V same. आर टी इक्वल टू आर वन प्लस आर टू प्लस आर थ्री। पैरेलल का होता है वन बाई आर पी इक्वल टू वन बाई आर वन प्लस वन बाई आर टू प्लस वन बाई आर थ्री। Joule's law of heating. It asserts that the heat produced in a conductor is directly proportional to the square of the amount of current flowing, I resistance R of the conductor, time period of the flow of current. Joule's law H equal to I square RT. Practical applications of heating electric bulb. Filament, tungsten, W, pure metal, melting point very high, electric fuse. Fuse wire melts down, circuit breaks, I equal to 0. Heating element, geyser, heater, electric, iron, etc. Electric power, rate of transfer of electric. P equal to W by T, E equal to T, E equal to P into T, equal to V I T, E equal to I square R T equal to V square by R T. 1 के WH equal to 3.6 and 10/6 जूल। ये है सब फार्मूला। Q इक्वल टू एनी, आई इक्वल टू क्यू बाई टी, भी इक्वल टू डब्ल्यू बाई क्यू, भी इक्वल टू आई आर इक्वल टू रो एल बाई एल, आर एस इक्वल टू आर वन प्लस आर टू प्लस आर थ्री, वन बाई आर पी इक्वल टू वन बाई आर वन प्लस वन बाई आर टू प्लस वन बाई आर थ्री, एच इक्वल टू आई स्क्वायर आर टी, एच इक्वल टू भी स्क्वायर आर बाई टी, एच इक्वल टू भी आई टी, इक्वल टू पी इंटू टी, पी इक्वल टू भी आई, पी इक्वल टू भी स्क्वायर बाय तो आई स्क्वायर है। और इसी के साथ ये चैप्टर ख़त्म हो गया। तो अगर पसंद आया हो तो लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब कीजिए।